Stop saying you don't have time. That's not your problem. You had time. You just didn't control it. You scroll for hours without thinking. But when it's time to work, you feel tired. That's not time. That's mental weakness. Your mind is controlling you. Without permission. You think you choose, but you react. And every reaction steals your future. You're not busy. You're distracted. And distraction is the enemy of control. You wake up with plans, but your phone wins first. One notification, and your focus is gone. You tell yourself, just 5 minutes, but 5 minutes becomes 50, and your morning is already gone. You move to the kitchen, but your mind stays stuck. You eat, but you don't even notice. You scroll, while life moves around you. Time is not the problem. You're giving your attention away. One day, you pause, and something feels wrong. You look around and realize how much time is gone. You think about your goals again, and they feel distant. That feeling hits hard. You remember all the wasted mornings, all the times you said, later, and later never came. Now you feel stuck, but the truth is, you were never stuck. You were just distracted. Not by the world, but by your own mind. You don't lack time. You lack discipline. You lack focus. You lack mental control. Your mind jumps from one thing to another, and you let it happen. But you can change this. Right now. Not later. Not tomorrow. You take back control. One decision at a time. One focus at a time. You start small, but this time, it's real. You are finally in control. You stop reacting to everything. You start choosing your actions. You control your phone. You control your time. You control your attention. Your focus becomes powerful. You feel different. You feel stronger. You feel awake. You feel in control. Now you see it clearly. Time was never the problem. Your mind was. But now, you control it. You choose what matters. You ignore what doesn't. And that changes everything. Your life follows your focus, and your focus is yours to control. So take it back, starting today. Don't go back to being distracted. The next video shows the exact system to control your mind every single day. Click it now, or lose control again tomorrow. Your choice.